So, what's going on today?
Okay, it took a whole day to track down what the trouble was here. The wire from here to the back that runs the computer was broken.
Okay.
So it actually wore through on the shifter or the gas pedal. So we got that tracked down and fixed. And this is where the computer is going to mount.
Okay.
Press the button now so you can see what he's got on there.
Yeah, well, you lost whatever was on there.
Right there, I think. No?
No.
One more press.
Can't seem to get it back to the.
Right there.
Okay.
That shows, get up real close, RPM, temperature, charging rate, all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So that's all he has to look at, eh?
Okay. So, you guys spent what, 2 days wiring?
No, we spent 4.5 hours each yesterday.
Oh, okay.
We're putting the drive shaft in today. This is the on-off switch for power for this battery.
Okay.
And this is the switch for fuel.
Okay.
Use this tank first because whatever that electric carburetor, electronic carburetor doesn't use circles back to this tank. So if you use this tank first, then it'll, or that tank first, and return to here, it'll overflow.
So I noticed you got the fuel pump down here.
Yeah.
And is there a reason why it's down there versus up?
No room here.
Okay. Okay.
It's all wired in.
What about the other side?
And these are the covers for filling the hole.
Yeah.
They're compression fit, so you want to pull the tank out. This battery is the cables are all wired in for the second battery. And this switch goes on here like this. So he can isolate this battery, use that one, or else shut that one off and use this battery.
Okay.
These two batteries. And we put all this on new, not that block, but this and this, because it's all old and we're figuring it might have a trouble down the line, and a new solenoid.
Okay.
So once you get the drive shaft in,
You guys are still working on that, but you're going to work on this here later on today?
yeah, Randy's got to go tomorrow, so we're just getting some of this shit here going. That takes 2 guys, and then I'll finish it.
Okay. So you're a lot more happy about
Yeah, we're away now.
Okay. So
This is a lot electronic. There's so much shit in here that I don't know nothing about. I have no paperwork on it, so you got to follow it up with a test light and all that kind of stuff.
So that's all for fuel injection, right?
Yeah, it's all for fuel injection.
So Dad'll keep working away here. Then what he's going to do, his buddy Randy came in to help him out, which helps him out a lot. Because some jobs just need 2 people, and I'm not mechanically inclined. I'm the paperwork guy and the videographer, so I do the accounting, and Dad does the mechanicking.
So when it's finished, we'll test run it. We'll get it a movie on it,
Okay.
and then he'll come and pick it up.
So what are you doing here now?
I got to pull that rotor out. But forgot to take the cap off. Got to loosen these 4 bolts here. Drive the crown gear back enough that I can pull this off.
Okay.
It's all straightforward from here. It's the electrical that gets me. Eh?
Freaking dog. Now my dog tries that. Okay, cat rips him to shreds. Yeah.
Piss that cat off.